Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I warn you, this is not an asthma video. This is not an asthma video. You will hear very loud noise later on. So in the place we live, there is a little monkey, and this one is Panama white-faced capuchin. It looks cute and fun and all that, but it's quite aggressive kind of monkey. So we walked out to our neighboring walk, and we found this howler monkey. Howler, Howler, and their way of communication is by howling, and they have very loud noise, but they are relatively timid, not so violent. Okay, now I need to warn you, the first time I heard their howling, I was scared. And the local people told me it's nothing to be scared of. They are timid, they are kind, they are not violent, because they have big jawbone, and they have their body development making this loud voice for communication, for telling other monkeys what is going on, or for a particular reproductive purpose.